Myself, Jehovah Fernandes. I am a civil engineering student from Girijabai Institute of Technology, Karwar. In this video, I am going to show you how to analyze and design a 23-story tall building using an ETAP software. So, this is a 23-story tall building for which I have already defined and assigned the material properties, section properties, and the different loads such as dead load, live load, and wind load. So these are the material properties that I have assigned for the given problem, that is M40, HYST 500 and mile 250. And the section properties, for frame sections we have defined beam auto select and column auto select, which will automatically select the best dimension from the already defined dimensions. And at last, the slab section, that is slab 150. Coming to the loads. This is the dead load that we have defined. This is the live load, and last is the wind load. So this is the wind load. So now let's analyze the building. So first click on Analyze and then select Run Analysis. So this will take some time as it is a 23-story tall building. At the bottom you can see the progress of your run analysis. Here you can see So our analysis is complete. Now if you right click anywhere here, you'll find the different displacement values in detail, that is in X, Y and Z direction. Now let's start designing. Click on Design, then select Concrete Frame Design and select View Revise Preference. Make sure that the design code is selected as IS456-2000. If it is not selected, please make sure to select IS456-2000 and click on OK. Now again, go to Design, select Concrete Frame Design and select Start Design Check. Now here you can see that the software is performing the design check. Right click on any beam and click on Details. So here you can find all the details of the selected beam. Now again go to Design select concrete frame design and select verify all members passed. Here the pop-up shows that all concrete frames passed the design check. Now, if you go to the left top corner, you'll find the reports option, in which you can find the complete report of the project. Double click on summary report. So at the down you can see that the report is being generating. So here comes the summary report. So this completes analysis and design of 23-story tall building. Hope you like it. Thank you.